Hey guys, today I'm replacing the speakers in this 2016 Jeep Renegade. And I'll go through the steps on how to get the door panel off and get the speaker out. It takes a 6x9 speaker here in the door. So let's get after it. Well, you're going to need some speakers. I just ordered some speakers off of Amazon, a set of Kenwoods. They'll be a little bit better. They'll be better than what comes from the factory. And then you're going to need the wiring harness to where you can just plug the speakers right in. That right there is the 72-6514, to where you can just plug these speakers into the factory wiring harness without butchering anything. So those are the things you'll need. Now let's get these door panels off. To start with, to get the door panel off, there's two little plastic covers right here that you're going to need to get popped out, because there's two screws behind them. Two little Phillips head screws. Wow, this little cover is right here. Just pull it off. There's a Phillips head screw, and then there's another one right down here on the bottom of the door, right here. Get those two out. You pop up your plastic cover here, and then there's a Allen head screw there that you'll need to get out. And then you'll want to pop out your plate here. Once you get it popped loose, pull out on your handle so you can work it on out. And there it is. And then, as you can see, there's another Allen head screw right there. And then set all your little pieces. I just always set them right here on the inside of the floor. And then underneath here, there's a Phillips head screw right there in the middle. Start by taking this one out in the center. Get it out. Then the two out here. The two screws out here. Get those out. One there. One right down here. Just lay your screws to the inside. All right. There's one. Okay. There's the other one. Okay, now you have to pry this up. You have to pry this out. Just pop up on it. Take you a trim tool or a flathead screwdriver. Pry this out. Unplug it. set it to the side, and then there's one more right down in there. And I always say, if you go pulling on a door panel and it's not popping loose, you forgot a screw somewhere. And that's what I did here. I was pulling out on it, it wouldn't come loose, so I knew there was another screw somewhere that I was missing. And you don't want to just go yanking on it if it won't pop out, because then you wind up breaking things. So now, got that one out. Now the panel is free. And then lift up on it. Once it's popped out, you lift up on it. You have to take loose everything in here. Just unplug things. Oh hell. Okay, well, I'll just pop this out, work this around, and slide it up. Okay, now that we got our door panel off, you see right here we have 4 Torx bit screws that hold our 6x9 speaker on. These Torx bit screws are a T25. T25s, there was 4 of them right here. I just took them out with this. Then you pull out on your speaker, and then you can unplug it right there. Just like that. That is a very cheap, flimsy speaker. What you'd expect from a dealer, I guess. Now we have these right here, like I showed you in the beginning of the video. They just plug right into here, and then you have your 2 ends to go into your speaker, and there you have it. Let me get the speaker out of the box. Just like that. Just plug your speaker in, just like that. Set your wires in there, set your speaker in place, get your T25s. Go ahead and get a couple of them started. Okay, now we've got our speaker mounted. Now we just hook everything up the way we took it apart. I'll slid back in from the top down. Make sure your wires are coming back up through here. Get your clips lined up in the holes. Put our bolts back in. Tighten down. Then our 3 Phillips head screws. One on the bottom down here, and then the two on the back of the door back here. Then get our two little plastic cover pieces. It goes back here and snap them in. Now we just plug our switches back up. There and here, just like that. Then we put our covers back in. Just snaps in. This piece here goes down in here. Again, it just snaps in. And we're done with this door, with this speaker. It's installed. Now we'll move to the other side. Okay, as you can see, I've got the speaker mounted back right here. Snap in, snap in, and that's that. Okay, now I'm replacing the mirror. As you can see, that mirror is broken at the bottom, and I just bought one of these that sticks over the top. It's got two-sided tape. So I just peeled the tape off, and now I'm just going to stick it on there. Stick it to it like there. I have some Windex on here. Wipe it down with a little Windex. And then stick our little mirror like this on there. And there you go. And that's that for this car. Okay guys, here we have it. Speakers are playing. Got it all. Got it ready to rock and roll. Everything's working like it should. I got the mirror installed there. So now this is another one done. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Comment down below. Tell me what you think. And I'll see you guys next time.